This is Course 2, Chapter 6, Lesson 6, Percent of Change, Benchmark MA7A12. Today I want to talk about percent of change. Percent of change is the amount stated as a percent that increases or decreases. So percent of increase is obviously a percent of change that increases, and a decrease is a percent of change that decreases. Okay, example number 1. Find each percent of change, round both to the nearest tenth of a percent if necessary. So first we're going to subtract. 65 minus 38 is 27. So we're finding the amount of change by finding the difference. Then we're going to substitute the values into the formula. Divide and find that our percent is 41.5%. And that is a decrease because at first it was 65, then it went down to 38. 41 is increased to 92, so the difference is 51. When we divide and we move our decimal over 2 places to the right, we find that the answer is 124.4%. So that my final answer is 124.4%. Okay, I'd like you to take a minute and do example, check it out, 1A and 1B on your own. Please pause the video. Okay, you should have found that. Check it out. 1A, 70 minus 45 was 25, divided by 70 is about 35.7%. 1B, 279 minus 155 is 124, divided by 155 is about 0.8, which is 80%. Okay, let's look at number 2 example. The regular price of a bicycle helmet is $42.99. It is on sale for 20% off. What is the sale price? So we need to change the percent to a decimal. So change 20% to a decimal, 0.2. Multiply them together. So then we get 8.598. So my answer is 8.60. The reason why I'm rounding is because we have to round to the nearest cent. So the discount is $8.60. To find the sale price, we have to take the regular price minus the amount of discount to find the sale price. Excuse me. So when we subtract, we find that it is $34.39. So the sale price is $34.39. Okay, I'd like you to check it out number 2 on your own. Please pause the video. Okay, if you multiply the 15% as a decimal, 0.15 times 49.98, we get 748. And when we subtract, our sales price is $42.40. Okay, let's look and turn the page to example number 3. Boutique buys hand-painted t-shirts for $12.60 each and sells them at a 110% increase in price. What is the retail price of the t-shirts? So we need to find this by multiplying. So 110% as a decimal is 1.1. And then when we multiply that times 12, we get 13.86. So the amount of increase is $13.86. Find their selling price. So think the retail is the whole price plus the amount of increase. So our amount of increase was $13.86. So if we add these two together, we find the amount of the t-shirt that they're selling it for is $26.46 each. Okay, now we are on, check it out, 3A and 3B. I'd like you to pause the video and do this on your own. Okay, you should have found the answer for 3A was $15.75, and the answer for letter 3B was 115 finches. Okay, let's look and see if you need extra help. Please go back and watch the video again. If you need help, ask Mrs. McCowan a question, or if you need more help, come in the morning for extra tutoring. Thank you for watching.